Hello nonke enibukela le video. I-video yethu is about ama-Newton's laws. I-question lena ngithathe from a previous question paper. Lana but sifunda i-statement sethu kune-diagram ama-question awu-3. So aphendula womathathu lama-questions. Bathi a block of mass 50 kg accelerate at 2.50 meters per second squared down the rough surface. Okay, basitshela ukuthi leli block leli li-accelerator liyehla liya phansi. Bathi lana kunjani ku-rough. Lana ku-rough, okay, ku-rough la li-accelerator lwathi liya downward. Then down the surface that it makes an angle of 25 degrees with the horizontal. This is the horizontal as the move angle khandekile u-25 degrees. Then as shown in the diagram below njengoba sikhomba kanje. Sebethi the block moves down with the down the incline. Then okay, basitshela kwesibili manje basibethi ignore the effects of air resistance. Then then siyakuzwa lokho. Then nizo ignore ukuthi kunani, then kune air friction la. Then nizo ignore konke lokho, so assume as ama forces acta la kulelo kunjani kule object akona ama force akhandwa i-air resistance. Then kukanjalo sosebenzisa lawo ajwayelekile. Base bethi ke la 2.1 draw a label free force diagram showing all the forces acting on the block as it accelerates down the rough incline. Then for i-force diagram ke uzodweba i-block lakho leli i-force diagram. Then i-incline angithi kanje liya downward. Kunani? Kune frictional force since bethe ku-rough. I-frictional force izokwenza njani? Izo-opposa engithi object yale yani izo-acta la ku-opposite nale direction of motion. I-frictional force then kube i-weight la. I-weight always acta downward. Then ilokhu njani? Since le force i-parallel to the incline, kusho ukuthi i-normal force ingaba isuke i-perpendicular to le force futhi perpendicular to the incline. This is i-normal force. Then usuqedile i-representa kanje u-weight umenza kanje awumenzi as ama-components since sekushintshiwe kwi-syllabus ukuthi wenza kanje then kukanje. Then urepresenta u-weight as kanje from Freeport diagram. Then engena ama-components wakhe. Then 3 marks. Sebethi i-question elandelayo state Newton's second law in words. Uzo-explain-ke i-Newton's second law ukuthi acceleration is directly proportional to net force and inversely proportional to the mass of an object. Iyona part ebalulekile leyo kumele yazi leyo ilo kuphela. Then ethi acceleration is directly proportional to F net, then is inversely proportional to the mass of an object. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini in short? Kuchaza ukuthi i-acceleration izo-increase if i-net force increase. Kusho ukuthi if ngiphusha kakhulu net force le yona net force le total force ile force kuphela. Then if ngiphusha kakhulu then acceleration izokhuphuka. Kusho ukuthi izomove nge-speed esikhulu. Then but if sengishintsha sengifaka kuba i-mass enkulu la, then acceleration yami ngeke isaba fana nesekuqaleni. Kusho ukuthi izoba njani? Izoncipha i-y ingako ithi inversely proportional. Because kudingeka i-force eningi since singashintshi lutho, kushintsha i-mass kuphela just to define le nto lelo definition. I-question yokugcina yethu ithi njengamanje-ke calculator i-coefficient konke lo abakubuza kona wena funa uyibuza ukuthi nawe yiphi i-formula enaloko abakubuza khona. Then emva lapho mancane amathuba ukuthi ungayitholi i-answer abayifunayo. Then calculate i-coefficient of kinetic friction. Kinetic friction by the way i-frictional force iyafana between the 50 kg block and the rough surface. Vele i-kinetic friction, okay, coefficient of kinetic friction ikhandeka la ku-rough khona. Futhi between la lokhunjana between the rough surface and objects, then kunani coefficient of kinetic friction. Coefficient of kinetic friction yini? Mu k. Then mu k simthola kuphi? Then simthola kanje. Iformula yakhona le, iformula calculator frictional force, ifaka le abasibuza yona yile bayifuna kule question. Then funa wena uyibuza ukuthi ngifika kanjani la. I7 marks equation, kodwa kumele ukwazi ukuthi since nje kwa-Newton's law akukancane ukuthi uqede wena equation yonke ngoba iphela la equation yethu ungayisebenzisanga i-Newton's second law formula. Then suyacabanga ukuthi uma ungasebenzisa leyo formula leyo ke yini ongayithola. Then since apha sitshela ngithi ini i-frictional force abayishongo, kusho ukuthi if uthi F net equal to MA, then uyasubstitute-ke manje ku-Freeport diagram yakho. Then isikhathi lapho khona kusizovumeleka khona ukuthi i-Freeport diagram yakho uyenze njani, uyi-add ama-components. Then if replace lo is-component unani, une-weight e-parallel. Yini i-weight e-parallel kanje? Siwayeke weight perpendicular vele ba-acta ngapha. Weight perpendicular, then and the normal force. Then the Freeport diagram isebenzisa only so zama-calculation. Kusho ukuthi object ethi ihambela kuphi, if ihambela ngakule direction le kanje ngakulo line, futhi ama-force ayenza umsebenzi khona la aphazamisayo noma asizayo ukuthi ahambele object ila ma-force lawa kuphela. Lawa akanje awenzi lutho, yabona. Futhi kwi-net force kungena lama-force lawa la ihambela ngakhona objects. Then usuzokhetha ukuthi iphi u-positive. Then since iya ngapha iya down asikhethe ibe positive, then ukuya le u-negative. Kusho ukuthini? U-F net ubani? U-weight parallel plus u-weight u-frictional force angithi uya kuphi? Uye emuva, angithi uye emuva. Then kusho ukuthi uzoba u-negative frictional force is equal to MA. Then uyasubstitute-ke weight parallel angithi ulingana nobani? No-mg sin theta. Umass wethu ubani? U-50 times u-g 9.8 sin theta. U-theta ongena la emuphi? For i-weight, ama-components e-weight, lo theta usuke umele lawo ma-components always. Futhi kungena u-25 degrees u-mg sin theta. Then minus, since uzomultiply la ube u-frictional force or kinetic friction. Then umass wethu ubani? U-50 kg multiply by ubani? U-acceleration basitshelile ukuthi ubani? Iwu-2.50 meters per second. Vele izoba njani? Izoba positive. Then since iya downward acceleration angithi, then iya downward, then downward simkhethe is positive, then that's why positive. Emva kwala usuthola ini? Uyabona ukuthi kusele i-frictional force yakho kuphela. Usuzoyithatha uyifake kuphi? Uyifake la. Then usuzobe subona ukuthi lo ngithola ngayiphi indlela. Akayijwayele ukuba nzima ukuthola normal force. Then so transpose-ke, so uthi frictional force uthathe lo uqiseze ngapha, lo abuye azohlala ngapha. Kusho ukuthini? Sizoba no-50.8 sin 25. Lo uma efika ngapha uzofika naye ngithi siba ubani? U-negative, sibe positive. Then uyabona ukuthi sithola bani? Frictional force yethu iwu-82.08 Newton. Then i-direction ithini? Up, the incline yona i-act kanjani up the incline. Then noma ungathi in opposite direction of motion. Then sesiza kwiformula yethu-ke njengamanje. Sesiza kweni iformula yethu. So substitute-ke, okay, just ukuthi siyibhale la. Multiply by normal force. Usuyayibuza ukuthi usunayo vele frictional force, usekhona udinga lo. I-normal force uyithola kanjani? Sekuyiphi i-surface? I-normal force iyadiva njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Iyahluka. Mayikwi horizontal surface iyahluka noma ikwi-inclined surface. Since la sikwibani inclined surface. Kusho ukuthini? Usubuya kule formula. I-normal force ilingana nayiphi force? Ilingana nale, since ama-force abalance lawo. Awayenzi object ukuthi move. Kusho ukuthi amandla awo lawo mayethi uyadonsisa phezulu akwenzeki lutho, nalutho edonsa akwenzeki lutho. Futhi amandla abo okudonsa ayalingana, kodwa inkinga ukuthi badonsela endaweni embili ehlukene. That's why kungahambi. Kube lo benamandla amakhulu, ubezoyi-overcome le force, bezokwenza njani? Bezokwenza ukuthi imove le downward engathi iyasithela kule ground, isithele kanje. Futhi ayalingana. That's why sizothi-ke ayalungana. Sesizothi but normal is equal to weight. Sorry, it's supposed to be perpendicular la. Perpendicular kanje. Then weight perpendicular ngithi. Okuwubani weight perpendicular? Oku-mg cos theta. Yabona? Futhi umase wakhona ubani? We-object. U50, u-g 9.8 cos angle esiyifakayo ile kwi-incline. Since sikhuluma ngo-weight. mg cos theta. Uyena normal wethu la. Then i-normal force ile. I-normal force, then sekukhani-ke sizobuya la si-substitute kahle. Then so substitute i-frictional force and normal force to find out law. Then sunga-divide ukuthi mu k equal to fk divided by normal. Oku-82.08 divided by 4.09. Kumele ukunake-ke lokho ukuthi le number la ngaphansi kufuna ihlezi injani inkulu kunale ngapha. Since la sikhuluma ngani nge-roughness, then kuba inamba encane e-close to 1, between 0 to 1. Then sizothi then ama-unit angithi yini le? Ikuma-Newton. Ikuma-Newton. Newtons. Unit ayikho-ke, kusho ukuthi ayadivide ama-unit wethu 0.18. Ilokhu njani? I-coefficient of kinetic friction. Lento edetermineyo ukuthi i-surface yethu i-rough kangakanani. Since le number kanje ingekho close to 1, kusho ukuthi-ke i-rough, kodwa-ke akukho kakhulu, rough kancane. Then once iya close to 1, then si-rough kakhulu-ke i-surface yethu. Iyona range ebakhona. Then bekuyilokhu ama-question awu-3.